And for today's magic trick, I will show you how probably you will look like after this video. Ready? Okay, I get it now. Hi guys, I'm Andrew from 2FAS, and today we will talk about two most common OTP algorithms, which are TOTP and HOTP. I know it can sound a little bit intimidating, but don't worry, I will keep it simple. Okay, so OTP stands for one-time password, and it's commonly used in two-factor authentication or multi-factor authentication. Now, if you are using 2FA app, probably you've noticed that your tokens are time-based. For example, they are valid for only 30 seconds, or they are hidden and you have to tap a refresh button to see the token. Now, these are two types of tokens, TOTP and HOTP.
And now, Storytime.
Now, imagine you are a spy and you want to contact your spy friend. But if you phone them, someone can easily pretend your voice. So how do they know it is you calling them? Well, you've decided that each call will be signed with each time different token. So you start your message with saying the token, and if the token is correct on both sides, you can tell the message. Now let's figure out how you will produce this token. First of all, you both established one secret key for your communication. So there we go, there is your one factor, which we call seed or constant factor. But to be extra safe, we need another factor, which we called moving factor. And this factor will be responsible for varying each token. So what is the moving factor? It can be, for example, time. Let's say you will call your spy friend at 5:15. So now you've got your seed as a secret key and you know the time, so now you can calculate a token. And your spy friend also know the seed secret key and the time, and he can calculate a token also. So now you and your spy friend should calculate the same token. And basically, this is how TOTP tokens works. Now for HOTP, let's decide that this moving factor will be a counter for each call. Let's say you start with the first call, so you know your seed is a secret key and you know this is first call, so it's number 1. The second call is number 2, and so on and so on. So HOTP tokens are calculated from seed as secret key and a counter as a moving factor. Now for technical terms, TOTP stands for time-based one-time password. And HOTP, well, it's a little bit more complicated because H stands for hash-based message authentication code. In short, it's HMAC. So HOTP is HMAC-based one-time passwords. Easy, right? I don't know who came up with this idea, but it doesn't matter. Just remember that TOTP are time-based token and HOTP are event-based token. As for the method of calculating the token, so combining your secret key and your moving factor, this algorithm is called Secure Hashing Algorithm, SHA for short. If you want to learn more about SHAs, I will link a video to Computer File channel in which he explains these algorithms really nice. So now you know what is TOTP and HOTP tokens and how more or less they are calculated. The best thing about TOTP and HOTP tokens is that you don't have to be online to calculate your tokens. So your phone with 2FA app doesn't need to be online. If you log into any online service, you provide your login and password, and then you provide TOTP or HOTP tokens calculated offline on your phone, and the service will calculate the same token using your secret key seed and time or event for TOTP or HOTP tokens. So now, if you open your app and you will see a token with a time, you know this is a TOTP token. But if you see a dots or hidden token and you have a refresh button, then you will know that this is a HOTP token. But remember one thing, if you are enabling 2FA on some service, the type of token TOTP or HOTP is decided by the service. So you have to comply to this. So you may ask which type is better, TOTP or HOTP. To be honest, in the end, they are quite similar. The most important thing is to use 2FA. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you like it, leave a like and remember to subscribe to our channel. See you!